Losing a spouse is already heart-wrenching, but did you know that one simple yes in those first few weeks could cost you thousands, or even more? Most people don't realize these costly mistakes until it's too late. In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 critical decisions you should never agree to if your spouse passes away first, decisions that could protect your finances, your home, and your peace of mind. Stay tuned, because missing even one of these could have lifelong consequences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that helps you navigate life's toughest moments safely. Lesson 1. Don't rush into selling the house. Losing a spouse is one of life's most difficult moments. Amid the grief, many people face pressure to make quick decisions about their home. But here's the truth: your home is more than just bricks and walls. It's a place filled with memories, comfort, and stability. Selling it too soon can lead to regret, financial loss, and even unnecessary stress. Imagine this: your spouse passes away, and someone immediately tells you to sell the house. You might feel overwhelmed, unsure, and tempted to say yes just to ease the pressure. But this is exactly the moment to pause and take a deep breath. Rushing into a decision can cost you not only money but also the emotional support that staying in your home provides. Instead, give yourself time. Take a step back, evaluate your options, and consult with trusted advisors. You might discover that keeping the house, renting it, or waiting for the right market conditions could save you thousands of dollars. It's not about being stubborn, it's about being wise and protecting your future. Staying in your home also gives you a space to heal. It's a place where memories of your spouse live on, and where you can process your grief at your own pace. Making decisions under pressure can cloud your judgment. But when you take your time, you gain clarity and confidence. Here's the silver lining: by pausing before making any big choices, you empower yourself. You take control of your life and finances, rather than letting grief or outside pressure make the decisions for you. And that, in itself, is a step toward healing. So, the next time someone suggests selling immediately, remember this lesson: pause, breathe, and think carefully. Your home is more than property, it's your sanctuary. Protect it, cherish it, and make decisions that honor both your heart and your future. Thumbs up sign if you found this advice helpful. Like, share, and subscribe for more life-saving tips. Together, we can navigate these tough moments with wisdom and positivity. Lesson 2. Never handle debts without guidance. When a spouse passes away, it's natural to feel overwhelmed by calls from creditors, banks, or debt collectors. At that moment, you might be tempted to say yes to every request, thinking it will solve problems quickly. But here's the truth: handling debts without guidance can cost you a lot more than money. It can affect your future financial security. Imagine this scenario: a bank calls and says, "You need to pay this immediately." Feeling pressured, you agree, only to realize later that some of the debts were not legally your responsibility. This is where many people make costly mistakes. Saying yes too quickly can lead to paying unnecessary bills or even losing assets that are rightfully yours. The first step is to pause and take control of the situation. Don't answer any questions or sign anything until you fully understand your obligations. Reach out to a trusted financial advisor, attorney, or even a family member who can guide you through the process. They can help you sort out what debts are truly yours, what can be negotiated, and what can be delayed. Here's the positive side: by taking your time and seeking guidance, you not only protect your money, but you also gain peace of mind. You'll know that every decision you make is careful and informed, rather than rushed and potentially harmful. Think of it as giving yourself a shield against unnecessary stress and financial loss. Another important point: don't let shame or fear push you into making hasty payments. Many people worry about upsetting creditors or looking irresponsible, but the reality is, creditors expect you to take your time and make informed decisions, especially during such a difficult period. By handling debts wisely, you're taking a big step toward rebuilding your life with confidence. You're turning a challenging moment into an opportunity to become stronger, more informed, and in control of your finances. So, remember this lesson: never agree to handle debts without proper guidance. Pause, consult trusted experts, and make decisions that secure your financial future. Thumbs up sign if this advice helps. Like, share, and subscribe for more life-saving tips. Together, we can navigate life's toughest moments with wisdom and positivity. Lesson 3. Avoid making quick financial investments or loans. Losing a spouse is already overwhelming, and suddenly, you may face advice from friends, family, or even strangers about smart investments or quick ways to grow your money. It might sound tempting, especially when people promise fast returns, but here's the truth: rushing into financial decisions during an emotional time can be very risky. Picture this: someone suggests investing in a business, stocks, or loans that promise huge profits. You might feel pressured to say yes just to make things easier or because you trust the person's advice. But without proper research, this opportunity can drain your savings faster than you expect. Many people regret these quick decisions for years. The key is to pause, breathe, and think clearly. Take the time to evaluate every option carefully. Ask questions, check the details, and consult a trusted financial advisor before committing to anything. Remember, your priority is to protect your money, not take unnecessary risks. Here's the positive side: by waiting and making informed choices, you gain control and confidence. You won't be manipulated by promises or urgency. Instead, you're making decisions that truly benefit your future and secure your financial stability. This is not just about money, it's about peace of mind, which is priceless during a difficult time. Another important tip: trust yourself and your instincts. Emotional decisions, even when made with good intentions, can lead to mistakes. By pausing and seeking guidance, you are not being cautious, you are being wise. You are taking steps to ensure that your financial future remains strong, even in the midst of loss. Think of it like planting seeds carefully instead of throwing them into the wind. The right choices grow steadily over time, giving you lasting benefits instead of temporary excitement followed by regret. So, the lesson is clear: never rush into investments or loans after losing your spouse. Protect your savings, make informed decisions, and let time and guidance lead you to the best path forward. Thumbs up sign if this lesson helps. Like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips that help you navigate life's challenges safely and positively. Lesson 4. Don't sign legal documents without advice. After losing a spouse, life can feel overwhelming. Among the many things you may face: grief, calls from institutions, and paperwork, there often comes pressure to sign legal documents quickly. This might include wills, insurance claims, property transfers, or estate papers. While it can feel like a simple step, signing anything without proper guidance can lead to serious problems. Imagine this: you receive a document claiming it needs your immediate signature. Out of stress, you sign it without understanding it fully. Later, you discover it wasn't in your best interest, and you could have lost money, property, or legal rights that belong to you. Unfortunately, many people make this mistake in the first weeks of grief. The key lesson here is simple: always pause and seek professional advice before signing anything. A trusted lawyer, financial advisor, or legal expert can explain the terms, highlight potential pitfalls, and guide you toward the safest choice. This small step can save you from major issues and long-term regret. There's also a positive side to this approach. By taking the time to understand each document, you regain a sense of control. You are no longer reacting out of emotion or pressure, you are making informed decisions that protect your future. This empowers you to manage your finances and legal matters with confidence. Another tip: involve someone you trust, like a close family member or friend, in reviewing documents. Sometimes a fresh perspective can reveal important details you might miss while grieving. Remember, asking for help is not a weakness, it's a smart strategy to ensure your rights and interests are safeguarded. Think of it this way: each document you sign is a step toward your future. Taking time to review and understand it ensures that step is strong, secure, and in your best interest. Rushing can lead to mistakes that are much harder to fix later, so, the lesson is clear: never sign legal documents without proper guidance. Protect yourself, your assets, and your peace of mind. By making thoughtful, informed decisions, you honor your spouse's memory while securing your own future. Thumbs up sign if this lesson helps. Like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips to navigate life's challenges with wisdom and positivity. Lesson 5. Don't isolate yourself, ask for support. Losing a spouse is one of the hardest experiences in life. During this time, it's normal to feel sad, overwhelmed, or even unsure of what to do next. Many people make the mistake of isolating themselves, thinking they have to handle everything alone. But here's the important truth: seeking support is not a weakness, it's a step toward healing and making wise decisions. Imagine this: you face financial, legal, or personal decisions while feeling lonely and confused. Without guidance, it's easy to make choices you might regret later. You might agree to something too quickly, spend money unnecessarily, or feel pressured into actions that don't truly benefit you. This is why support is so vital. The key is simple: lean on people you trust. This could be family members, close friends, or professional advisors like lawyers, financial planners, or counselors. Talking to others helps you gain clarity, reduce stress, and make thoughtful decisions. Sometimes, just sharing your worries can give you a fresh perspective and make challenges feel more manageable. Here's the positive side: asking for help allows you to focus on what truly matters, healing and rebuilding your life. Support provides emotional strength, guidance, and even protection for your financial and legal decisions. You don't have to navigate this journey alone. By involving trusted people, you ensure that every choice you make is informed and safe. Another tip: surround yourself with people who listen without judgment. Emotional support often leads to better decision-making. When you feel cared for and understood, you approach life's challenges with confidence rather than fear. This simple step can make a huge difference in your overall well-being and future stability. Think of support as a safety net. It catches you when you feel vulnerable, helps you avoid mistakes, and gives you the courage to face life's next steps positively. By reaching out, you turn a lonely, overwhelming moment into a journey of growth, strength, and hope. So, the lesson is clear: never isolate yourself, ask for support. Protect your heart, your mind, and your future by surrounding yourself with people who care and can guide you wisely. Thumbs up sign if this lesson helps, like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips to navigate life's challenges with confidence and positivity. Conclusion. Thank you for watching. Losing a spouse is never easy, but by avoiding these 5 costly mistakes, you can protect your future, your finances, and your peace of mind. Remember, take your time, seek guidance, and never make rush decisions. If you found even a little value in this video, I'd love to hear from you. Comment below and share which lesson resonated with you the most, or tell us about your own experiences. Your story could help someone else facing the same challenges, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips that make life's toughest moments a little easier to navigate.